Have you guys heard of earwax candle? So I have this earwax problem, right? I tried a lot of different solutions, but nothing seems to be working out. But one thing for sure, I didn't really want to go to the doctor about this just yet. So I was watching this video online about earwax candle.
Martin, ear candling, what exactly is it?
It's an ancient way of extracting wax from people's ears.
So how old is this form of therapy?
Many years now. It's quite old and it's getting more popular now.
So I bought a couple of earwax candle online and I wanted to check this out and to see if this thing actually works. I don't know, we'll see. So here is a earwax candle, and all I have is a little cup, hole punched through it, where we can hold the earwax candle. That's pretty much all you need. And then place the earwax candle or the cup on your ear. And let the candle burn all the way through towards the end to the bottom of the cup. And once it's done, blow out the candle and make sure fire is out and you're done. Okay, here is the earwax candle. Now we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully you will see some earwax inside. We do see some waxy substance inside, but we're not quite sure if this came from my ear or not. So we were gonna do another control test where we just burn a earwax candle by itself, and we opened it up and see what's inside. As you can see the same waxy stuff if you just burned the earwax candle by itself. So I don't really think these waxy stuff came from my ear. So I don't really think this thing actually works. Does earwax handling really works? It's kind of hard to say because I'm not sure if the earwax actually came out of my ear or not. Maybe the earwax got powderized and you can't really see it. I'm not sure. In terms of how I feel, my ear wasn't really clogged up, so my ear doesn't really feel any better or worse. So if you want to give this earwax candle a try, you could get this earwax candle online for a real cheap price and you could give it a try. But always safety first. I put the other link in the description below, so you can go and check it out.